A lot of patients come to us with chronic neck pain. Now, one alarming thing here is that this sort of symptoms is even very common in younger population, and the reason is excessive use of mobile phone in wrong posture. So if somebody is using mobile phone for more than 3 hours and the posture is not good, then he or she is inviting trouble. Now, supposing if I have to type something in my mobile and I'm bending my neck this way to type, then this is not healthy for my neck, because ultimately the muscles will get fatigued and there will be excessive pressure over the disc. So what I can do is I can bring the mobile phone up, and then when my neck is straight, then I can do typing or whatever I want to do. So this way my neck will be straight. Now research shows that whenever we bend our neck excessively, say around 70 degrees or so, the pressure on the disc and the muscle goes up tremendously. Even when we bend it to 20 degrees, the pressure goes up by 6%. So important thing here is that you should maintain a good posture whenever you are typing or watching something in the mobile for long hours. Secondly, talking on the phone like this is a very bad habit. This way your hands are free, but your neck is tired, and of course you are using these muscles continuously. It is always better that if you have to talk on the phone, then either you should use hands-free or you can use earphones proper. So if you are using earphones or hand-free, you can just keep your mobile in your pocket and you can plug in the earphones and you can talk freely. Third important thing is, if you are holding the phone like this and talking for long, then a nerve might get pressed at the elbow region. This nerve can cause numbness, tingling in the arm. This can also mimic the symptoms of cervical spine problem. So either use hands-free or earphone, or what you can do is, if you have to use your phone for long conversations, then when you are doing this, in between you can change your hand, use the other hand like this, or you can use the same arm and go to the opposite ear. This way at least the elbow will get relaxed for some time in between. So you can switch between both the ears so that your elbow is relaxed and pressure on the nerve is very minimal. So take care of these 3 precautions so that you don't develop chronic neck pain because of mobile overuse. Thank you.